Welcome back. Let's quickly simplify these algebraic fractions. Please don't forget to like this channel and subscribe to it. Okay. We have y plus 4 all over 3 plus 2y minus 4 all over 5. Now you discover that the denominators are different. So these are two unlike fractions. And because they are unlike fractions, we need to find a denominator to represent 3 and 5. Okay. Or we can use a shorter way by cross multiplying, right? So let's use that shorter method. Now this denominator 5 will multiply this numerator. So we say 5 times y plus 4. Then this denominator 3 will also multiply what? This denominator 2y minus 4. That will be plus 3 times 2y minus 4. Then what will happen to the two denominators? We'll multiply them, and that will be what? 15. Okay. Then we open these brackets. Okay. 5 times y is 5y. 5 times 4 is 20. Then here 3 times 2y is 6y. 3 times minus 4 is minus 12. Every term will be all over what? 15, right? Now we have like terms to add here, right? 5y and 6y are like terms, so let's add them. So we have 5y plus 6y, then 20 and minus 12 are also alike, so we say plus 20 minus 12 all over 15. Of course, this will give us 5y plus 6y is 11y, then 20 minus 12 will be 8 all over 15. So this is what our final answer. Bye.